Alright guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to delete a friend on TikTok. How to delete a follower on TikTok. So for you to do this, just proceed to your TikTok. Once you're on your TikTok like this, so go to your profile. Let's go to our profile. So right here, I'm on my profile. You can see I have 5 followers and 8 following. So what you do at this point is go to where you have your followers. So once you click on your followers, you can see we have several followers right here. So just locate the person you want to delete, that friend you want to delete. You can see the first one, it's written friend. So by the side, you get to see a 3 dots by the side of friends. So proceed and click on that 3 dots. Once you click on it, right here you get to see customize name, remove follower. So now go ahead and click on remove follower. Once you click on remove follower, you can see they said non-some childs will no longer follow you and won't be notified that you removed them. So click on remove. So once you click on removed, it means that that person will not know that you have removed him or her as your follower, and also it also implies that they will no longer see your post on TikTok. Do you understand? So that's basically how you go about deleting a friend on TikTok. So if you got value guys, ensure you like this video, ensure you drop your comments in the comment section, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.